Hello and welcome to Tech Dive AV Club. My name is Steven and today is episode 2 of my Paint.net series, and this one's going to be about .pdn files and using them to create a series of thumbnails or YouTube thumbnails to really automate your process, make it very fast, efficient, and super quick to where your thumbnails become an afterthought. You just plug it in and it works. So let's get started. I'm first going to open up a PDN file and show you just how it works. So this one right here, this is called my master file. This is for my City Skyline series. Basically, the .pdn file saves every bit of information about the pictures. Alright, so as you can see in this file, we have two layers. We have the background and we have layer 2. Layer 2 features all text with the outlines and everything, and that is very important because if you save a JPEG file, it's not going to have the layers. If you save a PNG, it's not going to have these layers. Only the PDN files will have the layers. And with the layers, you can simply go in and change it. Let's say I have an episode 2 or 3 or whatever where I go from 1,000 to 2,000 population in my city. It's very simple. You come up to the rectangle select tool, you select the top half of it, and press the delete key. This deletes your text. Now let's make some new text to replace it. So I have my font selected, and my font size, and my font color, which is white. And you simply come in and you type in, let's see, 1,000 to 2,000 pop. Well, let's do population. It may not fit. Let's reduce the size of that just a little bit. Not good enough. How about 256? Perfect. Alright, so now we have our font. Let's go ahead and outline it. Now, since this is on the same layer as the text below, you want to only select the text that you're going to outline. So you, once again, pick the rectangle select tool, select the top half, go up to your effects, and outline your object, just like so. Now I usually use the full-size 10 pixel outline with black since it's a white text. Click OK, and now we have pretty much created our new thumbnail. And you can do this as much as you want, doesn't really matter. Now to save a .pdn file, you simply hit Control-Shift-S to save as. And right here you'll see Save As Type. .pdn is the file type that will leave the layers in. Calls master thumbnail, right? Now it exports a master thumbnail file. Now that file is not good to upload to YouTube. You need to export a JPEG or a PNG or something like that. So Control-Shift-S again. This will bring up the box once more. Now let's name it Cities 1000 or no, Cities 2000. Perfect. Now you go to their Save As Type, select JPEG or PNG, up to you. I like to use JPEG for YouTube thumbnails since they're usually smaller. Click Save, it asks you about your quality, you click OK, and right here is the box that asks you if you want to flatten it. Flattening is where it takes the two layers and it pushes them together. And this basically makes it to where you're unable to pull the layers back apart, and that is the nature of JPEG since they don't store layer information. And now we have created our thumbnail. So now if we want to open it back up, we simply click the open icon right here, click our master thumbnail, and boom, we have our layers back and we're able to edit it once again. It's so simple, it's so quick. It really lets you just make your videos as you want, and then if you want to make all your thumbnails, you just go in, change the text, save out your thumbnails, save the master file, and then you're done. It's very simple, very quick. I hope you found this informative. Please tune in next time. I have more Paint.net tutorials coming out each week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.